In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk add members in Microsoft Teams. This is a great way to quickly get your team up and running with minimal effort. Let's dive in and streamline the process of adding multiple people to your team's environment efficiently. First, you'll want to ensure you have the necessary permissions to add members to your team. Typically, this requires being either an owner of the Microsoft team in question or having the necessary administrative rights within your organization. It's always a good idea to verify your access level before attempting the bulk addition to prevent any hiccups along the way. Now, to start the process, open Microsoft Teams either in the desktop app or through your preferred web browser. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific team where you wish to add the new members. You'll find this on the left sidebar under Teams. When you identify the correct team, click on the three-dot menu icon next to the team name. A drop-down menu will appear from here, select Add Member. A new window will pop up, allowing you to input the necessary information. You'll notice a text box where you can type in the names or emails of individuals you wish to add. However, for bulk additions, it's more efficient to prepare a list ahead of time. Create a list of all the email addresses of the people you need to add. Make sure each email is verified within your organization if required, and there's a general format conformity. This is crucial to avoid any errors during the process. You can input multiple email addresses into this text box by pasting them all at once if you have them separated by semicolons or commas. Once you paste these names, Teams will automatically try to recognize the emails to confirm they belong to users within your organization. You'll see validated names appear as you input the emails. Double-check to ensure all emails are correct before proceeding. After you're certain you've entered everyone you want to add, hit the Add button at the bottom of the window. Teams will process this request and add these members to your team. They will receive an email notification or a prompt when they next sign in, informing them they've been added to a new team. The onboarding process for them will depend on your organization settings. Usually, they'll have access to all the standard channels and resources as defined by your team's settings. However, if you have special permissions set up, you might need to head into the team settings to adjust their access accordingly. Lastly, remember to communicate with your new team members, welcoming them aboard and offering insights into what your team's objectives are in Microsoft Teams. A smooth onboarding process can significantly enhance team collaboration right from the get-go. And that's it. You've successfully bulk added members to your Microsoft Teams environment. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that your team setup is now complete and ready for action. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.